Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 27 December 2021 and today's video topic is array list in Java. So Java array list class use a dynamic array for sorting the element. It is like an array but there is no size limit in array list. We can add or remove elements anytime anywhere, so it is much more flexible than the traditional array. It is found in Java util package. It is found in uh, JVM. It is like the vector. It is like the vector in C++. So first we'll the array list extend abstract list. List implements list. The way of using array list to iterable. First is array list. Array list can extend abstract list. Abstract list implements a list. List extends a collection. Collection extends iterable. So these are the way of array list. The array list in Java can have a duplicate element. Also, it implements the list interface. So we can use all methods of list interface. The array list maintains the insertion order internally. In inheritance, the abstract list class and implements list interface. The important points in array list is Java array list can contain duplicate elements. Java array list class maintains insertion order. Java array list class is non-synchronized. Java array list allows random access because array works at the index basis. So in array list manipulation is a little bit slower than the linked list in Java because a lot of shifting needs to occur if any element is removed from the array list. So hierarchy of array list class. In the Java array list class, we'll see example of array list, way of array list. This is the hierarchy of array list. So Java array list class extend abstract list class which implements list of interface. The list of interface extend the collection and iterable interface is hierarchical order. So array list class declaration. How to declare array list class? So we will Java declares java.util.arraylist class. It is a declaration way. First is a public class array list. Generics e extend abstract list generic e implements list generic e random access and clonable. So construction of array list. Constructor array list is it is used to build an empty array list. Array list extend e, it means generics. It is used to build an array list that is initialized with the implements of the collection C. Array list capacity. So what is array list capacity? It is used to build an array list that has to specified initial capacity. So we will see methods of in array list, few methods in array list. So void add method, it is used to insert the specified element. Boolean add, it is used to append the specified element, specified position in the list. So like that, boolean add all, generics, void clear, ensure boolean is empty, iterator. It's lot of method in array list. So these are the example, and these are the array list. Thank you.